Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to shut down Windows 11 via the command prompt. So guys, this method will work in Windows 7 and Windows 10 also. You can shut down your PC or laptop using command line. So firstly, click on start, type CMD, open command prompt. Now here guys you have to type shutdown. Shutdown space slash s space slash s. Now press enter. So once you press enter, guys, you will see one dialog box and it will appear and it will say you are about to sign out your PC, and in few seconds guys you will see your PC or laptop is shut down. So this is the basic and quick way to shut down your Windows 11 using command line. Just open command prompt and type this command line. And there are some more methods to shut down using Alt plus F for shortcut, and also you can use power button, and also guys you can shut down your PC in traditional way, start and power button and shut down. So these four way guys you can shut down. So thanks for watching, and please comment this basic and short video useful for you or not. And in this video we can learn how to shut down Windows using command line. Please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.